everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll let you know how to pay for Netflix with FamPay. So if you don't have any card, any credit card, and you want to subscribe to Netflix, there's no worry. I'll show you how to do it. Simply go to FamPay, open the FamPay app and sign in. Load money into your FamPay account using UPI or a bank transfer. Activate your FamPay virtual card. It works if it's just like credit card or a debit card. Add FamPay as a payment method on Netflix. Open Netflix and go to your account and manage payment method. Add a new payment method, choose debit card, enter your FamPay card details, your card number, expiry date, and your CVV. Complete payment and start streaming. Once added, Netflix will charge your FamPay balance every month. Make sure to keep enough funds in your account to avoid service interruption. And with that, I hope this video was helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching.